Hello everyone, myself Anil Kumar from CMED Group of Institution, and I am here to discuss a topic named as sales and distribution management. Today I am going to discuss about the sales and distribution management. We can discuss under this video about this is about the marketing channels. Under marketing channels, what are the importance, structure, flow, the wholesaling, the functions, the classification, and retailing, organized retail in India, and types of retailer, role of the retailer, and e-retailing. The another content of this video would be designing channel system, channel design, channel planning, selecting channel partners, change, training, motivations, and evaluating. Channel management. The under this heading, the channel management, we can discuss about the power of the usage of powers, the channel conflicts, and the channel information system. These all topic would I am going to cover under this video. Hopefully, you will get this concept very clear along with my video. First of all, let me start with the distribution management. What is all about the distribution management? How we can, there are two words under this section, distribution and management. We all know that manufacturer used to produce some kind of the products, and this is not only important to produce some product, rather than it is more important that the product must be reached to the end consumer. And this how it could be possible, various kinds of the activities that is been associated along with the production up to the consumer, and those all kinds of the activities that is going to be managed under the distribution management system. And here, if we will take about the definition, the formal definition, we may say the distribution is the management of all activities which facilitate movement and coordination of supply and demand in creation of time, place, utility in goods. And this is how the distribution could be defined, the distribution management could be defined. We may say, in other words, it is the art and science of determining requirements, acquiring them, distributing them, and finally maintaining them in an operationally ready condition for the entire life. इसको अगर हम लोग अगर सरल शब्दों में अगर हम लोग समझना चाहें तो ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि ये एक आर्ट एंड साइंस का कॉम्बिनेशन है. हाउ वी कुड से दैट इट इज एन आर्ट, क्योंकि जो कंसेप्शंस हम लाते हैं किसी चीज को बनाने के लिए, हम जो कंसेप्शंस लाते हैं कि कैसे, जैसे हमने बोला कि अंडर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम हमारा जो प्राइमरी जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स था कि कैसे मैन्युफैक्चरर अपने चीजों को प्रोड्यूस करके और एंड यूजर तक पहुंचा पाए. इस बात को सुनिश्चित करने के लिए हमने क्या किया, हमने उसमें इस कंसेप्शंस को तैयार किया, एक कंसेप्शंस लिया, and that conception what we had been under our perception, that is known as the art. Whereas the science means the involvement of the various kinds of the things that facilitate that conception for the functional activities, and that is known as, that is how we can say that even the distribution management that involves the art as well as science. Now the types of distribution broadly implies with the channel management and physical distribution. अगर ऐसे इसको बोले कि there are two parts of this, the whole of the distribution management. One is the first, that is the channel management, and the another, that is the physical distribution. हम इसको ऐसे इसको थोड़ा सा एलेबोरेट कर देते हैं कि अगर कोई भी चीज प्रोड्यूस हुई तो उसमें हमें दो चीजों की आवश्यकता है. एक तो हमारे पास फिजिकल जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होने का मतलब यह है कि फिजिकली कैसे कोई चीज जो बनी वो हम दूसरे तक पहुंचा पाए, एंड यूजर तक पहुंचा पाए, कंज्यूमर तक उसको पहुंचा पाए, और उसके लिए हमें कोई माध्यम चाहिए, एंड वो माध्यम जो हमारा होता है दैट इज नोन एज द चैनल। और उसी चैनल को हम क्या करते हैं, मैनेज करते हैं। और वी ऑल नो दैट कि जहां पे भी मैनेजमेंट वर्ड आएगा इट मीन्स द इफेक्टिवनेस and the optimization of the whole kinds of the things. And here also, if we are going to discuss about the channel management, means we are going to manage all aspects of the channels. And another, as I told earlier also, there are two aspects of this distribution management system. One is the channel management, and another that is the physical distributions. Now here we can easily see that there are numbers of the distribution channels. Here there are four categories through which the distribution could be made possible: from manufacturer to consumer, from manufacturer to retailer and then consumer, from manufacturer to wholesaler, retailer and then consumer, manufacturer, wholesaler, jobber, retailer and then consumer. These are the various kinds of the channel which could be adopted by the various manufacturer or the organization or the company, through which they used to produce their product, and that product could be reached to the consumers. And these are the mode of the channels through which the distribution could be possible. Now the channel one, which is, here we can easily see that the manufacturer directly reach to the consumer. Now under the channel one is called the direct marketing. It is called as direct marketing. As we had been seen, what we had been seen, that manufacturer directly they are been reaching to the consumer, and in that case that type of channel if anywhere existing, that is known as उसको हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग। ये हमारा एक मोड होता है जिसमें हम डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग चैनल, since it has no intermediaries level, why we could say the direct marketing channel? Because there is no involvement of any kind of the intermediaries from the manufacturer to the consumer. And this is the first channel. In case of the manufacturer sells directly to customers, an example of the direct marketing channel would be the factory outlet store. Here I had been added one example through which we could be very clear with the channel one, and that is known as the direct marketing channel, where no intermediary exists in between the manufacturer and the consumer. Now the factory outlet, the very good example, and the good one of the perfect example through which we could understand about the direct marketing channel. Now how it could be? Because we all know that factory outlet stores, there is no intermediaries in between the manufacturer and the factory outlet stores. Directly the under the factory outlets, the commodities or the goods directly could be transported to the outlets. And this is how we can say that it is a direct marketing channel exists under the factory outlet. Now another example is there. Many holiday company also market direct to consumers, bypassing a traditional retail intermediary, the travel agent. We all know, even it is very much in practice also. Under this traveling system, the travel agents used to work, और ये जो ट्रेवल एजेंट्स होते हैं दे एक्ट एज एन इंटरमीडियरीज। बट बहुत सारी ऐसी कंपनियां होती हैं जो क्या करती हैं, डायरेक्ट वो क्या करती हैं, कंज्यूमर्स के पास डायरेक्ट सोल्ड आउट करती हैं अपने जितने सारे उनके पास जो उनके प्रपोजल्स होते हैं वो डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर को सोल्ड आउट कर देते हैं। एंड नाउअडेज the many companies, they are not been residing on the travel agents. That is how one direct channel we had been discussed, where the marketer used to reach to the consumer directly. Now we are going to discuss another distribution channel levels, and that is indirect channel, indirect distribution channel. Under this channel, as we had been seen under this figure, manufacturer, retailer, and consumer. And this is how we can say that it is an indirect channel method. Under this, what is the significance of this? Now the channel, as we had been defined under the heading number one, number two channels, that is contain one intermediaries, and that is the retailer. It means that manufacturer directly reach to the retailers, and through retailers the end users or the consumers, they used to find their products. This is the another level of the channel. The third level, that is another level of the channel, that is the third one. The channel 3 contains two intermediary levels, a wholesaler and retailer. Here the intermediaries are been increasing. Here the two intermediaries are there in between the manufacturer and the end user, and they are the wholesaler and retailer. Wholesaler typically buys a store large quantities of several producers. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि होलसेलर बहुत ही लार्ज क्वांटिटी में अपने पास बाई करते हैं, और फिर वो क्या करते हैं, रिटेलर को सोल्ड आउट करते हैं, और यूनिट वाइज भी सोल्ड करते हैं, एज वेल एज बल्क में भी सोल्ड करते हैं. और रिटेलर का फंक्शन सी होता है टू ब्रेक द बल्क, और रिटेलर ब्रेक को बल्क करके और कस्टमर के नीड के अनुसार, उनकी जितनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है उसके अनुसार वो क्या करते हैं, एंड यूजर तक पहुंचाते हैं. दिस इज द अनदर लेवल ऑफ द चैनल. And here, and these are the levels of the channel. Another channel where the manufacturer, they used to be have the distributor, they are the wholesaler, and after the jobber, and then it reached to the retailer, and then the things could be reached to the end user. So we can see that even one channel, two channels, three channels, there are n number of the intermediaries are between the manufacturer and the end user. And this is how through these channels the distribution could be possible. Now these are the different distribution channels. Here another the different distribution channels, how it works out. Here the farmer to the consumer, here the farmer, retailer, and then consumer, the farmer, wholesaler, retailer, and then consumer, the farmer, agent or the brokers, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and then consumers. And these are the different kinds of the channel through which the product could be distributed from the manufacturer to the end user. होप सो आपको ये जो लेवल्स ऑफ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स था उसका कंसेप्ट आपको समझ में आया होगा. आप इसको वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें. थैंक यू सो मच.